aspect, conversion of decimal number base to base 10. This aspect of number system involves decimal. That is, on this part, you need to be very careful while solving it. So let's see what we can do. Okay, convert 101.011 base 2 to base 10. So we have here 1 times 2 raised power 2 plus 1 times 2, sorry, 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0 plus 0 times 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 3 to a minus 3 equals to 1 times 4 plus here is gone plus 4, this is 1 plus this is gone plus 1 over 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 3, which will give us 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. Okay, sorry, 5. So from here, take our LCM. We have 8, we have 40 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, which should now give us 43 divided by 8 raised to power 10 which will now give us 101.011 base 2 equals to 5.375 base 10. Look at the next example. Okay, example 2. Express 241.23 base 8 in base 10. Example 2. So let's see what we can do. We have 2 times 8 raised to power 2 plus 4 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 8 raised to power 0 plus 2 times 8 raised to power minus 1 plus 3 times 8 raised to power minus 2, which will give us equals to 2 times 6 4 plus 4 times 8 plus 1 plus 2 times 1 over 8 plus 3 times 1 over 8 raised to power minus 2 which will now give us equals to 128 plus 32 plus 1 plus 1 over 4 plus 3 over 64, which will give us 161 plus 1 over 4 plus 3 over 64, 3 over 64, which will take the LCM here. That is 64. This will give us 10304 plus 16 plus 3 equals to 10323 over 64 base 10. So it should now give us 161.297 base 10. So that will be the answer. So let's look at our next. Okay, now example 3, convert 0.124 base 5 to base 10. So do the same thing that we were doing over there. That is 0.124 base 5 equals to 0 times 5 raised to power 0 plus 1 times 5 raised to power minus 1 plus 2 times 5 raised to power minus 2 plus 4 times 5 raised to power minus 3 equals to 0 times 1 plus 1 times 1 over 5 plus 2 times 1 over 5 raised to power 2 plus 4 times 1 over 5 raised to power 3 which will now give us s equals to 1 over 5 plus 2 over 25 plus 4 over 125. So our LCM there will be 125 divide 5, we have just 25 plus 10 plus 4 equals to 39 over 125 base 10. So we will now have finally 0.124 base 5 will give us 0.312 base 10. So We'll continue from there in our next class.